Welcome to PROMAT DX. I am going to introduce two of our solutions. First, we have our forklift caged cart, constructed of steel and powder-coated gray. Ergonomic placement of D-shaped handles enables the unit to be pushed easily. Step-in shelves are safety yellow with non-skid strips that prevents slipping. The cart is mobile on 6-inch swivel casters with brakes for safety. Load from front or back of the cage, access from both sides expedites the loading and unloading process. Can easily be lifted by a forklift and moved throughout your facility, reducing movement, waste, and saves time. Perfect in your warehouse. Next, our distribution tow cart is perfect for transport items in your distribution center, promotes lean movement. The cart can be easily maneuvered with the pull handle and tow hitch, which allows for easy movement of the cart or multiple carts at a time. Each shelf has a fold-away self-divider to separate inventory when needed. In the back of the cart, there is a retractable sign panel where you can post the bin or zone location of the merchandise. The distribution tow cart easily folds up and locks into place. Dividers, sign holder, shelves, side folds in, and multiple units can be nested to save space when not in use. Then it is easily set up for use again. Two great solutions from Winhole.
So here we have a traditional in-store picking cart with tilted shelves that allow viewing of the bins. This is a staple in the retail segment, and it is powder coated gray. Here we have two picking cart options that are in store. They're designed for specific totes. They have an aluminum design, which is light and tough. You have access for iPads, printers, scan guns. Here we have a traditional aluminum frame. Here we have an option shown powder coated red. You can see we have a couple designs with a handle. Here's a handle for ergonomic design for your employees when pushing it. Here's another option of the handle. These are two great aluminum cart options, one powder coated, one not, for your in-store picking carts. This is a great option too. Thank you very much.